Did you know that your mind holds the key to healing your body? After 50, your body may slow down, but your mind, your thoughts, emotions, and mindset have the power to restore health. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind it and reveal practical steps you can take today to unlock your healing potential. Establishing the value. Age is just a number. It's easy to believe that once you hit 50, your health starts to decline. But what if I told you that your mind has the power to reverse the damage and even restore your vitality? The science of mind-body connection shows that your thoughts influence your physical health. Yes, even your immune system. In this video, we'll dive into how you can harness that power for lasting change. The science behind mind-body healing. Let's start with the basics. When you experience stress or anxiety, your brain signals your body to release hormones like cortisol, which can harm your immune system and promote inflammation. But here's the breakthrough. Positive thoughts, meditation, and even gratitude can help shift your brain's chemistry, promoting healing and improving your overall health. Studies show that regular meditation can lower blood pressure, boost immunity, and even slow down aging by reducing stress. Not just that, but researchers have found that mindfulness practices can help regulate the autonomic nervous system. This means, by calming your mind, you can directly impact your body's ability to heal itself. Think about it. Every time you calm your mind, you activate the body's natural healing process. This isn't just a theory, it's been proven through countless studies. Practical tips for restoring health through your mind. Now, let's get practical. First, try mindfulness meditation. Start with just 5 minutes a day. It trains your brain to focus, calm your nerves, and connect with your body. Studies show that people who meditate regularly have improved brain function and a stronger immune system. But here's the thing. Don't stress about doing it perfectly. Just show up and practice every day. Next, integrate gratitude into your daily routine. Research shows that practicing gratitude can lower stress hormones and increase your well-being. It's simple. Take a moment every day to reflect on what you're thankful for, your family, your health, or even just a beautiful day. This tiny shift in perspective can work wonders. Next, make time for movement. But not just any movement. Try mindful walking. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Focus on your breath with each step and allow yourself to reconnect with the earth. Just 10 minutes of mindful walking a day can reduce anxiety, boost your mood, and keep your body in motion. So why not give it a try? Visualization and its impact. Visualization is another powerful tool in your mind-body toolkit. By picturing yourself healthy, strong, and full of energy, you're actually rewiring your brain to make those possibilities a reality. This practice isn't just for athletes, it's something you can use in everyday life. Imagine your body healing. Picture each cell rejuvenating, your muscles becoming stronger, your joints moving with ease. The more vivid the image, the more effective it will be. This technique isn't just about mental relaxation, it's about creating real, physical changes in your body. Research has shown that the brain doesn't always know the difference between real and vividly imagined experiences. That means visualizing yourself healthy can trigger the same biochemical responses as actual physical exercise. Nutrition and its connection to your mind. What you feed your body also feeds your mind. Nutrition plays a huge role in how you feel and how your body heals. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries, leafy greens, and nuts, fight inflammation and improve cognitive function. But don't forget the mind-body connection. Eating mindfully without rushing allows you to fully enjoy and absorb the nutrients, which has been shown to reduce stress and promote healing. When you eat mindfully, you're not just feeding your body, you're nourishing your mind as well. Slow down, savor each bite, and take time to connect with the experience. This act of mindfulness while eating actually helps your body digest food better, absorb nutrients, and keep your energy levels balanced. Harnessing the power of social connections. Another factor you can't overlook is your social connections. Positive relationships and a strong support system can drastically improve your mental and physical health. Studies show that people who engage in meaningful social interactions live longer, healthier lives. So, nurture those connections. Whether it's having a heart-to-heart with a close friend or joining a group class, make sure you have people around you who uplift and support you. The role of sleep and stress management. Lastly, never underestimate the power of rest. Sleep is your body's natural healing time. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And remember, managing your stress is just as important as managing your sleep. A good night's sleep and a calm mind go hand in hand when it comes to restoring your health. The mind-body connection is real, and it's never too late to start healing from the inside out. By harnessing the power of your thoughts, meditation, gratitude, movement, and nutrition, you can unlock your body's natural ability to restore itself. Start today. Even small changes can make a huge difference. Your journey to health after 50 begins with one powerful decision: to take control of your mind and watch it heal your body. Thank you for watching. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Stay tuned for more content on how to live your best life after 50.